Nothing says summer like cooking outside on your grill. When choosing a grill, you have lots of options, but the main choice you have to make is about how the grill is fueled, the main three being gas, charcoal, or electric. Gas grills are the simplest and easiest way to grill. Fueled by liquid propane or natural gas, these grills start easily by simply turning a knob or two and pressing a button. Within a few minutes, you'll be ready to go. Gas grills have very good temperature control, allowing you to manage your cooking precisely. Gas grills come in all shapes and sizes and can come with lots of accessories, everything from side burners and shelves to wireless temperature monitoring. Gas burns cleaner than charcoal and is more cost-effective. A standard propane tank will last about 9 hours of cooking time and can easily be exchanged for a refill at Lowe's. Charcoal grills are a classic summer staple, and their unmistakable smell and flavor is a perennial favorite. Charcoal grills can use briquettes, wood, or both. Most grillers use a charcoal chimney to start their coals burning easily, but some briquettes are self-lighting. Air vents allow you to control the heat of the grill, but it is less precise than a gas grill. Electric grills offer quick starts and long-running operation, but are limited by the availability of power outlets. Pellet grills combine the capabilities of a grill and a smoker in one. These grills are fueled by wood pellets made of compressed sawdust. This leads to quick heating, hot burning, and clean smoke. Pellet grills require electricity to power the hopper that feeds the pellets into the grill. Since this type of grill cooks with indirect heat, you will not get the standard grill marks on your food that you would with a gas or charcoal grill. Infrared grills cook food with radiant heat rather than flame and hot air like a standard grill. This cooks food more evenly and retains moisture without the hot and cold spots that some grills develop. Infrared grilling prevents flare-ups and burned food and leads to a more predictable and even cooking experience. Smokers cook low and slow, usually between 225 and 275 degrees Fahrenheit. This is how traditional barbecue is made. Ribs, pork, poultry, and more are given a deep, smoky flavor by cooking for a long time at a low heat. Smokers can be fueled by charcoal, wood, or electricity. Cooking areas range from 250 square inches to over 1,000 square inches, and some even offer Wi-Fi monitoring to check on your meal as it cooks. There are many grill options to choose from, so you can find the type that suits your home, your cuisine, and your interests at Lowe's.